Students, today we will study about the endocrine system. This system is very important for all the human beings. The endocrine system is a system of glands that involves the release of chemicals called hormones. Endocrine glands are ductless glands and they pour their secretions directly into the bloodstream. The endocrine system regulates metabolism, growth, development, and puberty of the body. They also play a part in controlling our mood. So first thing which you have to understand is the meaning of endocrine system. What do you mean by endocrine system? Endocrine system refers to the system of glands that involves the release of chemicals called hormones directly into the blood. They are essentially ductless glands, whereas there are certain glands present in our body which have ducts in them. They are known as exocrine glands. For example, sweat gland, sebaceous gland and mammary glands. But in this video, we will study only about the endocrine glands present in our body, their location, their function and diseases caused by their dysfunction in human body. The major glands that make up the human endocrine system include first, the pineal gland, second, hypothalamus, third, the pituitary gland or the master gland, fourth, parathyroid gland, fifth, thyroid gland, sixth, thymus gland, seven, adrenal gland, eighth, pancreas, 9, ovaries in female and 10th, testis. Students, all these glands secrete different type of hormones and this adds to our proper growth, proper metabolism and proper mood swings. It maintains homeostasis in our body. So these glands are very much important for us. Now students, let us understand the position of different endocrine glands present in our body through this diagram. You can clearly see that in skull region, 3 important glands are present. First is the pineal gland, second is hypothalamus gland and third is pituitary gland or master gland. Second, you can see in the throat region there are 2 types of glands. First is parathyroid gland and second is thyroid gland. These glands are also very important for us because they control various functions of our body. And below that you can see the thymus gland. Next gland is adrenal gland. From the name itself, renal means related to kidney. Adrenal means its position is near the kidney. You can clearly see in the diagram. And one more enzyme, that is pancreas. Then the last 2 enzymes, ovaries. Ovaries are found in female and testes are found in male. These are the 10 major endocrine glands which are responsible for the proper functioning of human body. Now students, let us discuss the major glands of human body and their functions. Major endocrine glands, and these glands constitute the human endocrine system. So first gland is pineal gland. As you have seen in the diagram also, it is located in the skull region. And what is the name of the hormone secreted by pineal gland? The name of the hormone is melatonin and it affects sleep of humans. Okay, so if melatonin is released in proper amount, we will have proper sleep. Now let's move to the second gland, that is hypothalamus. Students, many hormones are released from hypothalamus, but at this stage I will mention only few enzymes for you. First is ADH. It is also known as arginine. And another enzyme is somatostatin. But many different types of enzymes are secreted by hypothalamus and it controls various functions of our body. First, most important is it controls the body temperature. Second, it controls the hunger and thirst, etc. So this hypothalamus plays an important role in maintaining the internal balance of our body. Now let us move towards the third and most important endocrine gland of human body, and it is known as pituitary gland. It is also known as master gland. It also secretes many types of hormone, most important being the growth hormone. Growth and development of the human body is controlled by this growth hormone. Moreover, why pituitary gland is known as master gland, students? Because pituitary gland not only performs its own duty or its own function, but it also encourages, it also controls, it also regulates the functioning of other glands too. So pituitary gland is known as master gland. So students, I think these three glands, their location, their functions and the hormones released by them is very clear to you. Now let us move towards the next hormone, and that is parathyroid gland. And parathyroid gland secretes parathyroid hormone. And what is its function? Its function is to maintain the amount of calcium in the human body. Now next gland, that is thyroid gland. You must have heard your mother and parents talking about thyroid gland, and so I think you are well aware of this term because it is very much talked in our houses that are you suffering from thyroid gland dysfunction? Is there any thyroxine deficiency in your body? This is very common term. So let us discuss about thyroid gland. Thyroid gland secretes a hormone known as thyroxine. And what does it do? It regulates the metabolic rate of the body. Okay, and the term which is used for it is BMR, basal metabolic rate. Okay, and moreover, not only in human beings, this thyroid gland is important for frogs also. You must have studied the life cycle of frog in lower classes also, and you must be aware of the fact that tadpole look like a fish, but it gets converted into frog by the process of metamorphosis, and this metamorphosis is controlled by thyroxine. So frogs also need iodine content in their food or water because they also need thyroxine for metamorphosis. So students, to compensate the thyroxine content in our body, we should use iodine rich food. Students, you must have seen persons suffering from goiter. How does it occur? If thyroxine is not secreted in proper amount, then the thyroid gland bulges out and it is very much visible as an enlargement in throat region, and this diseased condition is known as goiter. Okay, now let us move to the sixth gland, that is thymus. And the hormone secreted by thymus gland is thymosin, and it produces T cells which destroy infected or cancerous cells. So the hormone thymosin helps in increasing the immunity of our body. Now students, let's move to the seventh endocrine gland of our body, that is adrenal gland. And the hormone secreted by adrenal gland is adrenaline. It is also known as stress hormone. It controls the response of body in stress condition. Next hormone, which is very important for human beings, is pancreas, and it secretes a hormone known as insulin. Insulin lowers the blood sugar level in the blood. And the ninth endocrine gland is ovaries, and it is found in females, and the two hormones secreted by ovaries are estrogen and progesterone. These two hormones are also known as female sex hormone, and they help in proper reproductive development in women. And the last endocrine gland is testis, and it is found in males, and the hormone secreted by testis is testosterone. It is also known as male sex hormone, and it helps in proper reproductive development in men. So students, these were all the 10 major endocrine glands of our body which constitute the human endocrine system and helps in different type of functions and proper functioning of our body. Hope students, you understood in the human endocrine system in a very nice way. Thank you.